In this video, we are going to look at the concept of polygons for maths exam. After going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve any problem involving polygons for maths exam. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video. Polygons, very important. Alright, as usual, I will give you guys the practice math question at the end of the video. Test your knowledge on this. Alright, so having known that, let's go into the details of the video. Let me bring out this diagram I have, so that I'll use it to explain types of polygons we have. Okay, guys, so these are typical types of polygons we have. But firstly, let's know what's a polygon. Right now, a polygon is simply a many-sided shape and can be regular or irregular. Now, a regular polygon is one where all the sides and angles are the same. All right. In an irregular polygon, the sides and angles are different. So these examples we have here are considered regular polygons. They are all regular polygons. All right. Remember that in regular polygons, all the sides and angles are the same. Just like here, the sides and angles here are what? The same. So the first example we have here is about triangle. All right. So the side and angles here are the same. The next polygon we have is quadrilateral. Alright, so this is a square, a regular quadrilateral, four-sided shape. The sides and angles are the same. This is a three-sided shape. Okay, now this is pentagon, a five-sided shape of polygon. Okay, so the angles and sides are the same. This is hexagon, a six-sided or shape of polygon. The sides and angles are the same. We have heptagon, a seven-sided shape of polygon. We have octagon, an eight-sided shape of polygon. We have nonagon, a nine-sided shape of polygon. We have decagon, a 10-sided shape of polygon. All right. So having taken notes of what we have here, let's look at the concept behind exterior and interior angle. All right. So that's basically where you see problems or the mass involving polygon. Right, it's important to know how to deal with problems involving interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, so let's wipe this now, or remove this diagram, and look at how to deal with problems on such concepts. Okay, now we're now looking at the concept of interior and exterior polygons. And exterior polygons. Okay, now note that sum of exterior angle equals, or angles equals 360 degrees. All right, whereas sum of interior angles equals n minus 2, okay, times 180 degrees. All right, where our n is the number of sides. Okay, now note again that for exterior angle, this is my one and not sum. For exterior angle, we have it to be 360 degrees over n. All right, when you want to find number of sides, you use this formula for exterior angles, whereas for interior angles, we use 180 degrees minus exterior angle. Okay, so take note of these formulas, guys. Very important. All right, because we are going to go into solving problems with it now. All right, so let's wipe this and look at the typical problem on this and apply these formulas to it. Okay, guys, now let's look at this problem. It says the interior angle of a polygon is 165 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? Remember, we're not asked sum. All right, so we now use this formula for sum, which is n minus 2, all right, times 180 degrees. All right, so this is 1. We are not asked sum, we ask the interior angle of the polygon. Alright, so that means we're going to use this formula for it. Interior angle equals 180 degrees minus exterior. Okay, so for this formula we have now, we're going to use it to find the exterior angle first. So the interior angle in this question given will be to 165 degrees equals 180 degrees. Now minus, let's represent exterior angle with E. Now to make this exterior angle, the change of solid formula, this 180 degree crosses over the equality sign, change negative. We're going to have 165 degree minus 180 degrees equals what? Minus E, which is exterior angle. Alright, so when you do the math, when you punch in a calculator, we're going to have minus 15 degree equals minus E. Divide both sides by coefficient of minus E, equal to minus 1. Alright, so this final count this minus here, and this final count this minus here. That means our exterior angle will now be what? 15 degrees. Alright, remember, I have to find how many sides does the polygon have. To get the how many sides now, we're going to apply this formula for exterior angle. So we have exterior angle. This is exterior angle to be 360 degree over n. So this n will be our 15. Alright, so when you plug in 15 for this n, we're going to have 360 degrees over 15. Alright, so when you punch it on a calculator, you are going to have it to be what? 24. That means we have 24 sides. Alright, that means the polygon we have 24 sides. Alright, so it's as simple as that. So this is interesting. Now let me give you guys a part math question under polygon to solve, and after you can call it a class. Alright, let's wipe this. Okay guys, now look at this problem. It says find the size of the interior angle of regular decagon. Now feel free to pause this video and see if you can attempt this. Let me give you a hint. A decagon is a 10-sided polygon. Alright, so use this hint and figure this out. Okay, let's do it together. We're going to apply this formula. Interior angle equals 180 degree minus exterior angle. Alright, now in this question we are dealing with 10-sided polygon, which is decagon. Alright, let's find the exterior angle. Exterior angle, let me use E, is found using 360 degree over n, and our n, the number of sides, is 10-sided polygon. So this is going to give us 360 degrees over 10, which will give us what? 36. Now the number of sides is what? 36. So from this exterior angle we have found, we plug it here in this formula. That means the interior angle will now be 180 degrees minus 36. Alright, which will give us what? When you punch it on a calculator, you're going to have 144 degrees. So this will be the size of the interior angle. It's as simple as that, guys. Alright, so this is basically you can solve problems involving polygons for math exam. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below to find link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join our Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you have learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding polygons, feel free to give a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. That's it for this class, guys. Click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.